Right there. Okay, the funnel is north of us, straight north of us. And actually, it's coming out of a dying updraft. It's coming out of a dying updraft, a dissipating updraft right there. But it's a very laminar, very well-formed funnel, small rope funnel. Okay, now this is, I don't think it's in danger of touching down from what I can see. It's pretty far up there. It's coming out of a dissipating updraft. That updraft is just shrinking up from the bottom up. But nonetheless, there's the funnel for sure. Just zoom up real close and see if you can get a close-up of that real quick. Okay, there you go, guys. That's it right there. That's a funnel, and it's coming out of the base of the storm, and it's the occluding base. It's the dying base. I don't really think that funnel has a chance of making it to the ground. It's pretty small, ropey, but it's there. We're getting wind gusts to 60 and possibly more, and this is all outflow here. And if anything, the outflow seems to be really picking up. That funnel is located north of Gluck, between Chunky and Gluck, pretty much right over the highway. Okay, now it's really decreasing, really roping out now, shrinking back up.